ready, sir.
It's recording.
Brian Parch. 425 miles of Earth. Thousands of Irish immigrant workers. Naturally, tens of thousands of gallons of whiskey. And a period of 6 years. Now, what do these things have in common? According to History.com, these things were the culmination that led to the opening and creation of the Erie Canal. The canal's importance was a major factor in our young nation's economy and the communicative techniques that we use today. As it was an advancement in communication, we shall first examine how it reduced the time to ship goods and ideas from New York to other parts of the country via the canal. In addition, we shall examine a revolutionary idea that came about because of the canal. Now, we shall first examine how the canal affected the time it took to ship something. As we all understand, during these early years of our nation's history, water was the fastest medium of traveling. The canal connected Lake Erie to the Hudson River, which connected to the Atlantic Ocean, therefore allowing faster travel time via water rather than over ground. Goods and information were able to travel in half the time via these water routes than they were from land. Compare that to today. Today we have instant texting to transfer the ideas. We have the internet. Compare that to overnight shipping. We can get things within a day. Now that we understand a little bit how the canal affected the time it took to transfer goods and ideas, let's examine a revolutionary communicative technique that was incited because of it. On the canal's opening day, October 26, 1825, the government of New York set up cannons all along the banks of the Erie Canal. According to eriecanal.org, an article written by Frank R. Sadowski, a well-respected historian, these cannons were fired simultaneously, one after the other, within earshot of each other, so that they could continue firing. It took these cannons 81 minutes to relay a message from Lake Erie all the way across the canal down the Hudson River to New York City. This is an unprecedented event. Never before had communication this fast taken place. So now that we understand the Erie Canal's effect on time it took to ship ideas and goods, and some ideas that came because of it, we understand how important communication really was. And not only that, but the Erie Canal was just one of the many steps that humanity has taken in its effort to communicate with each other.